Yo, welcome to an unboxing video. It is Animal Crossing merchandise. It's so cool. Okay. I don't know where you open this. I didn't study this box before I started the video. Okay, here we go. Box. This is where you open it. You open the box from the bottom like this. The characters: Tom, Isabelle, Tim. That Tim and Tim. I don't like that guy. Jared. Big Mac. There it is. Okay, here we go. And here is the merchandise. I just bought it today. It's so cool. It was on clearance for $20. This is a Tom Nook hat. It's so cool. It's yellow, and it could be adjusted in the back. It is also officially licensed by Nintendo. We also have a silicone ice cube tray, which is pretty cool. We also have a journal with about 80 lined pages. I don't know. I'm gonna open this with one hand. Oh yeah, here it is. Here it is. I open it with one hand. This is Animal Crossing journal. This is Animal Crossing journal. This is how it opens. And this is it. I think it has an unconventional way of saying that it's lined, because all of the lined pages are dotted. But it is still pretty cool though. I am seeing myself writing in this. Put that there. We also have probably a really good part about this entire thing is not the glass cup, but silicone coasters. I won't lie to you, I kind of prefer wooden coasters, but since silicone are the ones I'm getting, I guess I'm gonna have to just understand. But even then, it's very valuable to know that silicone is also a really good material. We have a leaf, as in New Leaf, like the game, and this one is Tom Nook. It's so cool. Now we have probably one of the best ones, second best, other than the silicone coasters, which is the glass cup. I will not drop it as soon as I take it out. This is the glass cup with Tommy and it's Timmy. It was Timmy. That's the end of the video. Goodbye. Also Timmy.